So in my last video, I talked about getting started with Twig, theming your WordPress website. So before I move forward, I just want to be able to flesh out how I want this to look on the front end. So here I'm using Adobe XD to theme or to create my theme for my website. So I think this is just a good step of understanding how you want to lay everything out, but also save time so you're not overcoding or wrecking your brain trying to figure out how you want things laid out. A good process of finding, I guess, inspiration is to maybe just do a Google search and find something that you may like. So just think of anything. So I could say creative, or I don't know, let's go with minimalist home pages or homepage, whatever. Let's go into images and look at a few. No, I'm actually liking that one. That seems pretty simple and easy to start with. And I'm just taking a glance at a lot of these, and they all seem to have the same sort of modern style in where we are in web dev and design, where you have your navigation at the top, a hero image, or you could call it a billboard image, and then the content below the fold. It's all starting to look somewhat similar. So let's get started with the menu. All right, so either we can decide the height. I usually like to do like 75 pixels in height. Let's remove our border. And let's add like a flat color. It's not very, very flat. I like that. It's kind of coral. You usually see these in call to action, so let's not use that. But what I will do is I'll save this. It's a call to action. Because I do like that coralish color. All right, and let's just make this like a white. Make our background. You usually see this a lot. It's like a off-white almost. It's very faint. So then we have our nav bar. Let's just call it nav bar. Let's lengthen our artboard out a little bit more. We know we want to have our hero image, so let's just put our hero here. And the size is really up to you. I wouldn't go too much over like 650 because it could really impact the user experience. But like I said, it's really up to you on how you want your layout to look. So just so we can actually see, let's just do that. And this could be my call to action. Let's make it a border of 3. Border radius of 3. Then we have our footer. Let's just do this. Bring it down. Alright, so this will be our footer. Let's label it so we know. Footer. Let's go ahead and group this. This will be our hero. Nav bar content. So let's go ahead and make this a content area. Move the border and we'll just call this content area. And wait, let's lengthen our artboard out a little. Bring our footer down. Lengthen our content area. All right. And then let's save this. Let's call this WordPress theme layout. Okay. Then on the home page, I want, let's see, so the content area, footer, nav bar, hero. Let's just say I want to have like a blog area where I place my blog, and I have like the most recent articles. And we're just doing this to lay it out. So let's say one article here, one here, one here. So 3 articles across. Line that up. Let's space it. All right. And then move down some more. And then I have another area where I want people to subscribe. So this will be my area for subscriptions. So let's bring this down a little. And let's copy this call to action and bring it up and bring it down. Then I add all right, and that'll be for my subscription. Okay. So I'm not gonna get into the mobile piece first because we're not gonna get into all of the styling parts of it, but this actually shows me what my layout is gonna look like. So I'll have my nav bar here, hero image here. This is just, basic content area. I'll have my 3 most recent blog posts, And then I have my subscription area to subscribe to a newsletter. And then this area will be my footer. So let's go in and add some. Let's group this too. I'll just group it. Say that. Group these. Call it blog area. All right. Cool. Now, very quickly, let's do about us, services, blog, contact us. Take that, roll it up. I should be tabbing that, but whatever. Do what you want. Slower. I want to do that. We could just do this trick by lowering opacity a little bit. That's looking clean. I don't care about the font right now. Like I said, we're just laying this out. Let's take, this will be where our logo will go. So that goes there, right? We can have image here. Let's take image here. And we're gonna use this to represent the font, like font blocks. You find this too a lot now on mobile apps where instead of getting like a progress bar or a progress spinner, you'll get like a gradient effect in areas, basically showing you that the content hasn't finished loading yet. And that's something you usually see a lot in mobile apps. So this will be content for that. We won't necessarily address the blocks just yet, but at least we get a chance to see, okay, this is how we want things to be laid out. So I'm gonna stop right here. So in my next video, what I'm gonna do is begin to code out the home page, starting from the menu and then working my way down to the footer. And all of this is going to happen from within our Twig template. And we're going to still keep some pieces within our page home template also when we're doing all of this. But just check out that next video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, comment, share your concerns. So if you like this content that I just shared, please subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit that notification button while you're at it so you could actually be notified when I post my next video.